back to another video from Vishu's BioLogic. So, today we are going to discuss exceptions to Mendel's law or exceptions to laws of inheritance. So, let's get started. So, first one, that is incomplete dominance. Now, if you look back to my previous video, you will understand when I was talking about Punnett square that if there is a cross between capital R and small r, suppose we are taking example of dog flower, in which capital R represented red, this represented white. But when we made a Punnett square for this, the hybrid progeny capital R small r, instead of being red, was pink. This is what I mean by incomplete dominance, that is, the color is between red and white, which is pink, which was supposed to be red but is pink, right? So this is what incomplete dominance is all about, that is, one is overtaking the other but not able to fully overtake, so the color is pink. So the next is multiple Allelism. Now, according to Mendel, there are only two contrasting forms of a gene or alleles, but we see that there are more than two in practice, like that in the human blood grouping system or the ABO system, where we see that there are three contrasting alleles. A is represented by IA, B is represented by allele IB, and O is represented by IO. So you can see that there are three different allele forms, out of which only two are represented, right? Next is codominance. Under codominance, we see that it can happen that both the characters or both the contrasting form, allelic forms of a gene are expressed simultaneously. That is, in case of sheep hair color, where suppose capital R represents red hair color and W represents white hair color. Now, if there is a cross, the hybrid progeny RW is actually having both red and white hair color, which is contrasting with respect to Mendel's law, where only one was being expressed, that was red. Here you can see I have written both as capital R and W because both are equally being expressed. This is what I mean when I say codominance. Next is Pleiotropy. Now, when the product of one gene has effect on many different phenotypic traits, this is what we call as pleiotropism. Suppose the example of disease phenylketonuria. Now this disease is caused due to a mutation in the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase, which mutation causes phenylketonuria. This enzyme converts phenylalanine to tyrosine. Due to mutation in the gene, phenylalanine starts accumulating in the body, which results in changes in other phenotypic traits like hair loss, mental retardation, body pigmentation. This is what pleiotropism is all about. So, if you like my video, then please do give a big fat thumbs up. If you want to know more about genetics and more such interesting topics, then stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching.